This is probably like the worst blizzard I've ever seen in my life since I've been here. Jesus Christ, it's like completely fucked up. There's no way you can just like go outside and do anything. It's fucking crazy. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's really bad, eh?
No, this is beautiful.
Oh, I hate it. I freaking hate it. It's actually the worst since like 1970 something. So I'm gonna have it on camera just as a souvenir.
Nice.
It kind of stopped.
Yeah, this morning it so.
Yeah, well, it began like last night at 4 a.m.
Oh.
because I was watching over the window,
Oh.
and I'm not going anywhere. My car is there, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing laundry. Gosh, they're like stuck. It stopped already, but I mean it's gonna come back. Over 50 centimeters of snow. Fuck that.